Using a Redmi phone, here's how to set and turn off alarm easily. Open the clock app, tap on alarm, click the plus icon to add a new alarm, set the time AM or PM, okay, AM okay, choose repeat days if needed, okay, now alarm set. Now turn off the alarm, open the clock app, go to alarm, turn this switch off. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now how to delete alarm? To delete the alarm, tap and hold the alarm. Yes, tap and hold the alarm. Tap delete. The alarm is removed. Okay. That's how to alarm turn on, turn off and delete on Redmi phone.